Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on service marketing triangle. Let's start with the introduction. Service marketing triangle is one of the most popular strategic models for developing an overall service marketing strategy. The model is a three-dimensional approach to formulating an overall marketing strategy. Three groups play a critical role in the achievement of organizational goals: company, which is the top management, employees, and customers. According to the model, three types of marketing must be carried out successfully for a service organization to succeed. First, external marketing, which occurs between a company and its customers. Second, internal marketing, which occurs between a company and its employees. And third, interactive marketing, which occurs between a company's employees and its customers. Let's start with external marketing, which means making promises. The firm makes a certain set of promises to the customers about what is expected to be delivered. Any communication that a customer receives before the delivery of a service can be observed as a part of their external marketing function. It is a regular action of the firm which it takes to promote the service offering to the customers and is carried out in various ways in the form of advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, etc. Now let's look at an example of Ritz Carlton. The Ritz Carlton Modernization. Ritz modernized its brand in 2015 to interest the modern generation. The hotel chain launched a new logo and has modernized the brand voice as the luxury chain changed its marketing in an effort to appeal to the Generation Y. The new logo is a more vivid shade of blue that retains the brand's signature lion and crown. This is the first time in the 32-year history of the hotel that any changes have been made to the revered lion and crown. The move is a part of a comprehensive approach which makes the hotel appeal to a new generation of guests globally. The other example of external marketing is wherein Ritz Carlton touches a real-life experience of guests. In 2018, the Ritz Carlton Hotel created a campaign based on the real-life experiences of guests staying at the Jialong Bay Resort in Sanya, China. The animated spot titled "Let Us Stay With You" is based on the memories of a retired, recently widowed former Russian cosmonaut's stay at the Chinese resort. He was having trouble enjoying his vacation despite the blissful surrounding due to the loss of his wife. The hotel manager, after learning the man's story, encouraged the staff to plan different surprises for the man. The staff made a large sand sculpture of a rocket, gifted a bottle of former cosmonaut's favorite vodka with a redesigned label depicting accounts of his space adventures. Each animation in the campaign is shaped from real guest memories summed up in 6 keywords. The campaign was created with Saatchi & Saatchi and Team 1, the company that manages the hotel chain's business globally, produced by Shanghai-based animation production company Final Frontier and directed by Lee Kyu. Now let's look at the internal marketing option, which means enabling promises. The left side of the triangle implies a critical role played by internal marketing. Internal marketing refers to a set of activities the organization must carry out to guide, motivate, and reward its employees. It encourages employees to keep promises made to the customer. It tells us that unless service employees are willing and able to deliver on the promises made on time, the organization at large will fail in keeping its promises. Thus, service marketing triangle will collapse. Let's look at an example. Ritz Carlton Employee Empowerment. Each employee, irrespective of its position, is referred to as the lady and gentleman at the Ritz Carlton. They are even authorized to spend up to an amount of $2,000 per guest per incident to keep them happy. They are motivated and able to make quick decisions on their own in the moment to resolve any guest issue quickly or to make their experience beautiful and memorable. The concept is to create an overwhelming stay experience for a guest. As stated by Simon Cooper, a lot of the stuff that crosses my desk is not that they overcame a problem, but that they used their $2,000 to create an outstanding experience. For instance, there are stories about hiring a carpenter to build a shoe tree for a guest. In another case, a laundry manager who couldn't get a stain out of a dress after trying twice flew down from Puerto Rico to New York to return the dress personally. Finally, when a waiter in Dubai overheard a gentleman using his wife, who was in a wheelchair, that it was unfortunate he couldn't get her down to the beach, the waiter told the maintenance, and next afternoon there was a wooden walkway down the beach to a tent that was set up for them to have dinner in. And finally, let's look at interactive marketing or real-time marketing that comes at the bottom of the triangle. Here the firm employees directly interact with customers. This is the point at which all promises are delivered or not delivered. Having a positive link between what is promised through external marketing and what is delivered through interactive marketing is critical. All the external marketing efforts are worthless if the promises are not being kept. In conclusion, all three sides stated in a triangle are incredibly critical for successful service marketing and management. Let's look at an example of interactive marketing, in this case, the Ritz Carlton Golden Standards and Rules for Customer Interaction. The hotel has a gold customer standards which include the 3 steps of service. The 3 steps of service are: First, a gracious and genuine greeting. Second, to use the guest's name, anticipate and meet with each guest's needs and want. And third, a fond farewell, given a cordial goodbye and use the guest's name for the same to create a more personal experience. Let's look at another example of interactive marketing. In this case, it's the Hyatt Concierge social media platform. The Hyatt brand takes on a contemporary approach to customer service, most prominently through its Hyatt Concierge social media platform. The brand shares this example of exemplary service quoting. We delivered a man care basket to a guest's room because he uploaded a picture of an ultrasound of his unborn child to Instagram. The caption read, having a great time at the hotel but really missing not being with my wife today after she sent me this. Social media team contacted the hotel and the hotel sent him 4 different types of bacon, 4 different craft beers, a voucher to watch a movie and a handwritten congratulations card from the team at the hotel. The guest was over the moon and immediately shared it on social and review sites. So that's it, folks. That brings an end to the topic on service marketing triangle. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you've liked the video, do subscribe to our channel. If you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net, where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.